Google Threat Intelligence allows you to understand how specific vulnerabilities are being exploited through natural language queries. You can ask direct questions about vulnerabilities in the search bar. For example, by typing, "How is CVE 2020-1472 being exploited?" the platform queries its dataset and returns an AI summary grounded on relevant objects. Look to the top right for filtering options that let you narrow down results by time or origin. These sources include Google TI's curated content, contributions from partners, and crowdsourced data. You can see the references where it takes information and click on them to get more insights. For example, the first report explains how Ryuk ransomware attacks exploit the zero-logon vulnerability to gain domain controller access and what were the next steps that the attack took once the access was gained. Clicking on a threat actor's name provides an overview of its main characteristics. For full details, check the tabs. You can also follow the actor to receive new IOCs in your stream. Results are separated into type of object, being threats for threat actors, malware and collections, IOCs, reports, vulnerabilities, and more. Click any card to access curated and crowdsourced information for that object type, providing a foundation for your investigation.